Lloyd's London is one of the biggest insurance companies in the world, and we now have a $1 million insurance protection for every client in tag markets. So in case of bankruptcy or insolvency of the broker, or Nick runs away with the money, Lloyd's London will jump in and take care of that loss. So the thing is, right now you need to trust the broker, right? Right now you need to trust that we are the custodial for your money. In this case, you don't need to trust us anymore because worst case, you're insured. And as well, the most important thing is usually brokers are charging for that. Okay, so brokers are charging the clients a percentage of the deposits or whatever to um, have that protection. In tag markets, we offer that for free to everyone.